This is the Chalacano word of the day with J. And the word is El Fecha. In English, the date. Examples. Cosa fecha kita este día? Cosa fecha kita este día? What's today's date? What day is today? Siete el fecha de este día. Siete el fecha de este día. Today is the 7th. Today is the 7th. Cosa día el fecha 10 de octubre? Cosa día el fecha 10 de octubre? What day is the 10th of October? What day is the 10th of October? That's all for today. See you on the next Chalacano word of the day with Jay.